Good morning, guys. Good morning from Spark. Good morning. I just took off my mouth tape. I've been starting to sleep with mouth tape on to help with like my breathing so that I don't breathe out of my nose. I'll have the ones I use linked to my Amazon storefront, but I've been sleeping way better and like way deeper since I've been using them, and they've been awesome. But let's get ready for the day. Now let's do some skincare. I've been using this vitamin C from xoxo in the morning and I really like it. I also don't cleanse my skin in the morning because I have pretty dry skin and I find I really need to cleanse it in the morning. Going with that. And then I've been using this barrier cream from Skin Fix, which I like. It's kind of like a water cream texture, really lightweight on the skin. And then we're just gonna use some sunscreen. This one is from Bubble. It's the Solar Matte. I kind of switch up the sunscreen I use depending on what mood I'm in, but we'll use this one today. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post videos regarding makeup, skincare, acne, and acne positivity, and just making you feel good in your own skin every single Friday. But today we're changing it up. We're doing a little bit of a vlog style, taking you through a day in my life. I haven't done one of these in like years and things have changed, so I'm super excited. We have a lot on the schedule today, including work, my full-time 9-to-5 job, and we also have some content creating work, which is like my second full-time job. Then we'll be going to school, and usually I try to go to the gym in the morning on my work from home days, but this morning I was so tired. I definitely need that extra sleep. I'm a big advocate of like getting up, going to the gym even when you don't want to, but like I knew this morning my body needed the sleep because I've been so tired lately. So like if you're in that stage where you're like, you know what, I feel so drained, like take the sleep. So we slept in today, didn't go to the gym, but I do still have some time before I have to start work, so I'm gonna make some breakfast today since I'm home. Yeah, I'll just take you guys through the whole day. So now that I'm ready for the day, I'm gonna make breakfast. All right, so while my breakfast is warming up here, I'm gonna make some matcha. I've been on a matcha kick. I don't really drink coffee that much in the morning anymore, but matcha is one of my go-tos. So I use these little packets from Pick Life, pour it into a glass. And then I take some boiling water, probably like a third of the glass, I'd say. And then I mix it up with my frother here to make sure that matcha is really mixed into the water well. Then I grab some ice. And then I do some oat or almond milk, but I use the unsweetened version. Look at that, how beautiful. Boom, that's how I make my matcha at home. It tastes so good. All right, here is the breakfast for today. So I have some almond butter on toast with bananas and then my matcha. I thought I'd sit outside a bit with Spark. He loves this bed that we made him. He just rolls around in it outside. What are you doing? Spark? Hi. I found chewing on my shoes and now he's pretending like he's not. Are you not doing anything at all? Yeah? Yeah, you weren't doing anything, right? Alright, so now I'm just going to set up my desk to work for the day. I have this walking pad, which I love to use while I'm working. So I have a standing desk. I'll link both the desk and the walking pad will be in my Amazon storefront, but I use these all the time when I work from home and I love them. So I have my matcha here, my water, and this is usually how I start my day for work. So I usually keep the walking pad on a 2.5 speed. If I have any meetings or calls, I'll bump it up to a 3 or 3.5. And this way I can get a ton of steps in. Usually if I'm walking like 3-4 hours of the day, I can get between like 10 and 20,000 steps in, which is awesome. So I usually stay on my walking pad for the whole morning while I work, and then I stop for a break at lunch. So I'm gonna work for a few hours here, do some walking, and I'll check in with you guys at lunch. It is now lunchtime, so I'm actually gonna get ready to film. I usually try to film over my lunch hours when I'm working from home, just because this is how I'm able to manage doing content creating and having a full-time job. For anyone wondering, I am a project engineer during the day and content creator by night. I'm currently in school studying chemical engineering and business, so I'm on internship right now, working a full 9-to-5 job actually until the end of August, and then I'll be going back to school full-time. But for right now, this is kind of how I manage my schedule. So when I'm working from home twice a week, I try to get all my filming done. So over this lunch hour, I'm going to film a YouTube video, start filming a YouTube video because we're doing like a wear test for a foundation, and then I also need to film 2 TikToks, so we gotta move quickly because I don't have that much time. So I'm gonna quickly change, get my hair ready, and we'll get to filming. Okay, I just changed, put on some gold jewelry. I'm just wearing this top. All right, it's time to film. I look scary right now. Gotta turn on the sign. Oh, less scary. Also, the reality of being a content creator, you wear a nice top, do your like hair, all that, and then you're just wearing like shorts or sweatpants. Always. Every video you're watching where someone's nicely dressed, unless they're wearing a dress, they're probably wearing sweatpants or like gym shorts or something, pajama pants, even maybe no pants in their videos, but we'll keep that between me and you. All right, so we have a couple things on the agenda to get done today. First off, look at my skin, guys. I feel like it's gotten so much better over these past few weeks. I can't wait to update you guys on everything I've been doing. But I have my laptop here. There's Ringo on my background. In first order of business, I have an ad to film for TikTok on this product. This is from Crave Beauty. This is the Beat the Sun lightweight sunscreen. That's literally made from beets. Super cool. So I'm excited to try this out. So we'll film a TikTok for that. And I'll show you guys how I film too. I film everything on my phone. My phone is so beat up right now. It's insane. I'm getting a new one like ASAP, but this will still work for now. So I use this little tripod to film. My desk is such a mess. Please ignore it. It's just when you're like filming a ton of content, it's just like you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm just gonna set this up right here. Make sure my back camera is clean because I always film with the back camera. Put it in my little tripod there. Now, since I have this loud talk sign and you know a lot of companies want more of a clean background behind you, I kind of film off to the side here with my phone. And this is what the setup looks like. I use a little mirror to make sure I'm all in frame. Let's try out a brand new sunscreen on my acne prone and sensitive skin. This one is, it is no, oh, okay. It is no secret that I have acne and acne scarring. I've been struggling with acne for 7 years now, and right now I'm left with a lot of acne scarring. But the #1 step in my skincare routine that I've always tried to keep consistent is sunscreen. And I have a brand new one to try out with you guys today. This one is from Crave Beauty. This is the Beat the Sun lightweight sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 40. I'm very excited about this. So let's try this out. I love testing out sunscreens for you guys because sunscreen, since I have acne, I always want to make sure that I'm protecting my skin from any UV damage, because this will also help my scars to, you know, not only get darker but also heal faster. All right, video 1 out of 2 is done. Moving on to the next TikTok video, I have to film an ad for Hero, which I'm so excited about because I absolutely love their products, and the product we're doing today is one that I've been loving for years, so it's the perfect collaboration. I got my product, got my camera set up here. My skin has changed dramatically over the last year, but one thing that has stayed consistent is making sure that I don't pick at my skin. And I swear pimple patches have helped me so much with achieving this goal. So I really encourage you to give your skin some love, not only with the words you use towards it, but also the products you use. Make sure you don't pick on it. And honestly, pimple patches have saved me from that, and just making sure that I leave my spots alone when they're going through their healing process. I just realized I was gonna film a YouTube video today, but I'm filming this, so I don't think I need to film a YouTube video today. I think I'm just gonna do that on Friday because I'm filming the podcast today and my lunch break is almost over, so I want to grab a bite to eat first, get back to work, and then yeah, no YouTube video today because this will be the YouTube video. I kind of forgot I was filming a vlog, so we're good, we're on track. I almost forgot I have some postings to do over on my TikTok, so I have an ad today going up with xoxo on one of their vitamin C products, which I've been loving. It's the one I used actually this morning. Been using it for the past few weeks, so I'm gonna go live with that. Post. Done. And then I think I'm gonna post another TikTok today, since I want, whenever I post an ad, I kind of want to post, you know, just a regular video as well. So I have quite a few things in the drafts right now, so I think I'll just post one. I do have so much to edit, but I think I'll do that this evening after school because I have so much videos to edit. I've been filming so much bulk lately, but then I kind of forget to film to edit them, so I've been using CapCut to edit posts, and it's helped so much. I'm also gonna load up all the footage that I filmed today for the 2 ads so I can edit them tonight and then send them in. My phone is being so annoying. I need to get a new one ASAP. So loading those in so I can edit the videos later tonight, and CapCut has been so easy to edit, so I've been really liking it. I already posted on Instagram this morning, which is good. A lot of these I schedule out, so that's awesome. And then today's Wednesday, so I won't have a YouTube video up till Friday, which I need to work on the thumbnail, but I'll do that later tonight. I usually spend my evenings doing like actual content, like behind the scenes, more admin stuff, and then I try to spend my lunch hour filming so I can get stuff done up. So yeah, I think that's good. Actually, it might be good that I'm not filming a YouTube video today because as I said, I'm filming the podcast. Speaking of, I need to clean up my desk here while I talk to you guys. I'm filming the podcast today with one of my good friends, Taylor E. Ford. She is awesome. I've had her on the channel before, like in a vlog, I think, and I absolutely love her. I'm so excited to talk to her on the podcast though, because she also deals with acne, but she also has type 1 diabetes, which she talks very openly about, which I really admire. And she helps so many people with that, so I want to have the conversation kind of be centered around dealing with things you can't control and kind of taking back control over your life when, you know, other things you can't control, like how your skin is doing or how your health is doing, you know, and kind of finding the places where you can control in your life. So I'm very excited for that episode. Loud Talk with Lavi, go check it out. It's my podcast. I post every single Sunday on Spotify, Apple, YouTube, and all streaming platforms at 7 a.m. MST, so go check out my podcast. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here, do some editing, do some posting, clean up my desk before my lunch hour ends, and then we're good to go. Oh yeah, so I actually just finished work. I worked the rest of the afternoon, like half at my desk, half on the couch for meetings because Spark was being crazy. So we made it work though. The workday is all done now. So now I have about an hour and a half till I have to head to school. I think, yeah, no, 2 hours. 2 hours till I have to head to school. So I'm going to film a podcast real quick. Well, not real quick, because it takes like an hour to film, but with my dear friend Taylor E. Ford. So I'm going to set up for the podcast. I'm all set up to film, but this guy's being so crazy right now. So I'm going to wait for my boyfriend to get home. He'll be home in like 10 minutes, and then I can pass him off so that I can actually get this podcast done, because I don't think you guys would like watching this podcast with him crying in the back the whole time. So we're gonna give it a few minutes. That day where I feel like shitty about it. It's just like, finished the podcast with Taylor there. It went so well. I'm so excited for you guys to hear this episode. It will already be out when you guys see this vlog, so go check it out. This will be episode 19 on Loud Talk with Lavi. Go check it out. Loud Talk with Lavi on all streaming platforms. Okay, I gotta go pack my bags because I'm heading to school now. I'm gonna go do that and head to the car because I gotta go. Alright, I am done school now. I am just headed to London Drugs to have to pick up something for a video tomorrow. Luckily, school ended an hour early. It was only a 2-hour class today, but it was my last one for summer school, so excited to be done. Okay, I need to go to the Dove section. Ah, here we go. Dove sensitive skin bars. I have to film a campaign on these, so I had to pick them up from the store. I kind of forgot I was filming a vlog today for the last couple hours. I forgot to update you guys. So I went to London Drugs there to get my product. I did go ahead and film that ad today. So got a lot done, which is awesome. And then I just had dinner and hung out with my boyfriend for a couple hours. And I'm just gonna get ready for bed. So just took a quick like refresh shower. I don't wash my hair every single day. I probably wash it, I would say, every like 3 to 4 days. So I'm gonna wash it today. And now I'm just gonna do my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm gonna go in with this Dapanoid gel from Skin Fix. I've been trying this out as my new like retinol product, and I've really been liking it actually. I'm gonna go in with some eye cream. This is the Ashava Complex Eye Serum from Drunk Elephant, and this does have retinol in it, which is awesome. Sorry if you guys can hear like background noises. I think my boyfriend's watching videos or something, YouTube in the back. So apply that right under the eyes there. And then I've been trying out the Skin Barrier Restoring Gel Cream. I like it. I used it in the morning with you all. I do like it. I just think I prefer something a little thicker at night, but like for the daytime, I do really enjoy this product. Lather that on all over. I've been so happy with how my skin has been doing lately. It just feels so glowy and healthy. I love it. Okay, and I do want to show you guys what I use on my body usually at night. So I've been using this Sugar Rush cake butter. It's like a whipped body butter, and I like it because it's not super thick. It kind of has like almost like a jelly formula to it. That's the best way I can describe it. It literally looks like yogurt. And I slather this on all over, and it smells so good. And then I'm almost out of this. This is the Frank Body Smoothing AHA Body Lotion. I apply this one on my back and chest since it's exfoliating, and I typically get acne there. So I've been loving that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of lip balm before bed. Alright, now it's time to do some nighttime work before I go to bed. Alright, so now I'm just going to do some work on my laptop. I'm getting a thumbnail ready for my next YouTube video coming out this week, so I'm just going to spend some time on this, as well as getting the video actually prepped. So I usually like to work on this at night as I wind down for the day. This usually takes me about like 30 to 45 minutes to prep for YouTube videos to go up. So let's get that done.
And we already have our sushi rice here.
Alright, so I am all done making my thumbnail for this YouTube video, which should be already up on my channel when you guys are seeing this vlog. So this video is going to be me testing out Rhode skincare for the first time on my acne prone and sensitive skin. So now that the thumbnail and title is done, I'm just gonna get the rest of the like description, as well as any monetization and end screen and all the background stuff for the YouTube video ready to go for tomorrow. Okay, so I'm all done getting tomorrow's YouTube video done. I just did some work on my phone, checked my emails. I'm all caught up for today, so it's time to call it a night. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my mouth tape here, which I've been using, and I've been getting the best sleep since using this, probably for about a week now, and like I sleep so deeply. I like haven't even heard my alarm a couple times, which isn't great, but I'm just, you know, prefacing how deep of sleep I've been getting. So gonna put this on, put on a show for a bit, and then go to bed. But thank you so much for walking through my day with me. If you guys enjoyed this type of vlog style video, let me know down below in the comments, and let me know if you want to see more, you know, casual vlog videos like this on my channel. I'd love to do more if you all are interested. But if you did enjoy, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down below in the comments what you want to see next on my channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on a future upload. If you want to see more daily content from me, you can go check me out on Instagram and TikTok at Lavinia. I post every single day on there, so lots and lots of content for you to see. And then of course, if you want more long form content, go check out my podcast, Loud Talk with Lavi. Oh, and my Discord if you want to talk to more people in the skin positivity community, and if you just want to chat about life or skincare or anything beauty, my Discord will be down below in the description as well. But I love you all so much. Remember to tell yourself something you love about your skin today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave I call you right back to check for monsters.